Thank you. I'm Mr. Lehner, and welcome back to Mr. Lehner's fantastic and festive Mr. Lehner's Math Extravaganza. Today, I brought together a little guest. I brought the Cookie Monster. He loves cookies. He also loves to subtract integers. So today, we're going to focus on how to subtract integers. All right, when subtracting integers, you're basically going to add its opposite. All right, and an easy way to remember this is 1, you're going to write the first integer down in your problem. 2, you're going to change the sign to its opposite. 3, you're going to write the opposite sign of the second integer. And then 4, you're going to solve the problem. These 4 steps are very helpful when you guys are learning on how to subtract these integers. Let's take a look at a couple of practice problems here. We're going to follow those 4 steps. If I have 10 minus 7, my first step is to rewrite the 10. My second step is to change the subtraction to addition. And my third step is to write the second integer as an opposite. So the opposite of positive 7 becomes negative 7. Now we're back to our addition problem where you guys can use counters or a number line to solve the problem. 10 plus a negative 7 is going to equal a positive 3. Let's try another. If I have negative 5 minus the quantity of negative 2, I'm going to follow the same steps. I'm going to rewrite negative 5. I'm going to change the subtraction to addition. I'm going to change my negative 2 to a positive 2. So a negative 5 plus a positive 2 equals a negative 3. It's kind of like, again, working with temperature. Think of degrees. If it's negative 5 degrees outside and the temperature increases 2 degrees, it would be negative 3 degrees outside. All right, our third problem. We're going to have the Cookie Monster try this one. If you had negative 4, you would write your negative 4. You would then change subtraction to addition. You would then take positive 7 and make it negative 7. So negative 4 plus a negative 7 would be a negative 11 and have no cookies. So, again, following our process here, nice job Cookie Monster helping us out with that last problem. Negative 4 plus our negative 7 is going to equal a negative 11. All right, it is that time again. I'd like you guys to get out your paper, get out your pencil, and go ahead and I want you guys to try these 3 problems at home. We'll see what you guys come up with. All right, when solving these problems, hopefully you guys follow those 4 rules we went over. In this one, you should have rewrote the problem as negative 1 plus a positive 4, which is going to equal a positive 3. And our second one, you should have rewritten as 9 plus a positive 6, which is a positive 15. And lastly, a negative 8 minus 10 should be written as negative 8 plus a negative 10, which equals a negative 18. Again, if you weren't sure on how to do these, try some practice problems in your book. Try to make sure that you guys find out the error in your ways. Again, following these 4 steps will be very helpful when you guys are subtracting integers. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Mr. Lehner's Math Extravaganza. I thank you guys for tuning in. The Cookie Monster thanks you for tuning in. And as always, we'll see you next time.